Call it a day, understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the popular English phrase, call it a day. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also give you insights into cultural nuances. Let's dive in and explore this phrase in detail. Call it a day is an idiomatic expression used when someone decides to stop working on a task or activity, typically after they felt that enough has been done or they can no longer continue due to fatigue or completion of the task. It signifies the end of activities, not just in a work context but also in social situations. The phrase, call it a day, originated in the early 20th century. It's believed to come from American English, used initially among laborers who decided when to end their working day. Over time, it gained popularity and is now a common phrase used globally, crossing the confines of the workplace into everyday life. Understanding how to use call it a day in context is crucial. Let's look at some examples. 1. After a long day of meetings, John said, "I'm tired. Let's call it a day." 2. The team worked hard on the project until the late evening when the manager decided to call it a day. In both examples, the phrase is used to indicate the end of activities due to completion or tiredness. While call it a day is the most common version, there are variations like call it a night, used when referring to ending evening or nighttime activities. It's important to choose the right variation based on the context and time of the day. Understanding phrases like call it a day enriches your communication skills and helps you engage more naturally in English conversations. We hope this video has been informative and has made you more comfortable using this phrase in your daily life. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to call it a day when you feel you've achieved enough. Until next time, keep learning and growing.